Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with DeloSync, and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday episode, we're talking about social media posts and how to keep them from being boring. Specifically, we'll be focusing on LinkedIn, but touching on other platforms as well. We've all seen those bland posts that don't get any engagement. But what makes the difference between an average post and one that really sparks interaction? Well, it starts with understanding your audience's pain points. Most LinkedIn creators know their target audience's general issues, but the key is to be specific. Instead of generic advice, address the exact problems that people are facing and why their current strategies aren't working.
That's right, Donna. The difference between an average LinkedIn post and a top performing one often comes down to understanding your audience and their concerns deeply. You need to know the specific problems they face and why their current strategies aren't working. When you nail this, you'll never run out of content ideas because you're addressing real issues with practical solutions.
True, Bob. To find what these deeper pain points are, you really need to talk to your audience. Start listening for the language they use and the questions and objections that you get as you talk to prospects and customers. Start a running list of these topics to add to your content calendar.
And once you have your topics, you need to package your content effectively. Your post should detail the problem you're solving and the solution. A few of the ways you can present this information are case studies, research-backed data, your own experience, or by expressing a contrarian opinion.
Exactly, Bob. But you also have to capture their attention. You have to first stop the scroll. Your post needs a compelling hook and an eye-catching visual. The first line of your post should create a curiosity gap, making people want to click see more. And don't forget the visuals. Images, graphics, and videos can significantly boost engagement.
Yes, visuals are crucial, but let's not forget about hashtags and emojis. Using 2 to 5 relevant hashtags can increase your discoverability of your posts. Look for popular hashtags with tools or by observing what others are using. You could use them to identify content, brands, themes, trends, and campaigns. They're immediately searchable on social media as soon as you publish, so they can help you make your post more discoverable and pull your brand into trending topics. Special characters and emojis can add interest, attract the eye, and make your brand more relatable. Recent data shows that adding emojis can significantly increase audience engagement, but use them sparingly and purposefully.
And speaking of engagement, always encourage comments. Start or end your post with a call to action that invites your audience to share their opinions or experiences. This can increase the visibility of your posts and foster genuine connections.
Another effective strategy is to tag and collaborate with influencers. This can expand your reach significantly. Tag influencers in posts about their work or ideas, or collaborate with them directly for even better results.
Lastly, it's crucial to use analytics to track your post performance. Look at your top performing posts and figure out what made them successful. Consider the topics, the hook, the structure, the style. Use these insights to refine your future content strategy. If you're ever stuck on what to post on LinkedIn or other social media platforms, we've got you covered with our guide, What to Post When You Don't Know What to Post. You can find the link in our show notes.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find some links on this topic at delosync.com/episode 353. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.